Ever felt like time just slips through your fingers? Like you're working hard, but the clock's a blur? You're juggling tasks, projects, deadlines, and at the end of the day, you're left wondering, where did all that time go? Especially if you're using Asana, that powerful project management tool. You're organizing, collaborating, hitting milestones, but are you actually tracking the time spent on each task? Are you getting a clear picture of your team's efficiency? Are you able to accurately bill clients? Because let's be real, time is money. And if you're not tracking it, you're essentially throwing it away. You're flying blind, relying on gut feelings instead of hard data. You're missing out on vital insights that could streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and ultimately, increase your bottom line. Think about it. You're managing a complex project in Asana. You've got subtasks, dependencies, due dates, but how long is each step actually taking? Are you overestimating or underestimating? Are certain team members consistently spending more time on specific tasks than others? Are you hitting your estimated budget? Without accurate time tracking, these questions remain unanswered, leaving you in the dark. And it's not just about billable hours. It's about understanding your team's capacity, identifying bottlenecks, and optimizing your processes. It's about making informed decisions based on real data, not guesswork. So, the burning question is, can you track hours in Asana? The answer, as with many things, is it's a bit nuanced. Asana, in its core functionality, doesn't have a built-in native time tracking feature. You won't find a little stopwatch icon within your tasks or projects. That's the simple, straightforward answer. But that's not the end of the story, because the beauty of Asana lies in its flexibility and its robust integration capabilities. It's designed to play well with other tools, and that's where the magic happens. You can absolutely track hours within Asana, just not directly. You'll need to leverage third-party integrations. Let's break down the common approaches and tools you can use to achieve this. First, let's talk about browser extensions. There are extensions designed specifically for time tracking that integrate seamlessly with Asana. These extensions typically add a timer button directly into your Asana task view. You can start and stop the timer with a single click, and the track time is then logged against the specific task. These extensions often offer features like real-time tracking, start and stop timers with ease, manual time entry, add time logs retrospectively, reporting and analytics, generate reports to analyze time spent on tasks and projects, integration with other platforms. Some extensions can sync with other project management or invoicing tools. Some popular options include tools like Clockify, Toggle Track, and Harvest. Each has slightly different features and pricing, so it's worth exploring them to find the one that best suits your needs. Next, we have dedicated time tracking applications that offer deeper integrations with Asana. These applications often provide more advanced features, such as detailed reporting and analysis, generate comprehensive reports on time spent, team productivity, and project profitability, invoicing and billing, create invoices directly from your time logs, resource management, track team capacity and allocate resources effectively, customizable workflows, tailor the time tracking process to your specific needs. These applications often sync data with Asana, ensuring that your time logs are reflected within your projects. This provides a unified view of your work, allowing you to track progress and manage time effectively. Another approach is to use Asana's API to build custom integrations. If you have development resources, you can create a custom solution that integrates your preferred time tracking tool with Asana. This allows you to tailor the integration to your specific requirements and create a seamless workflow. However, building custom integrations requires technical expertise and resources, so it's not always the most practical option for smaller teams or businesses. Now, you might be wondering, why doesn't Asana just build time tracking into its platform? That's a valid question. Asana's focus is on project management and collaboration. They excel at organizing tasks, managing workflows, and facilitating communication. They've chosen to specialize in these areas, and they've done it exceptionally well. By relying on integrations, Asana allows users to choose the time tracking tool that best fits their needs. This provides greater flexibility and customization, rather than forcing everyone to use a one-size-fits-all solution. So, how do you choose the right time tracking solution for your Asana workflow? First, consider your specific needs. What are you trying to achieve with time tracking? Are you primarily focused on billable hours, project budgeting, or team productivity? Next, evaluate the features of different time tracking tools. Look for features that align with your needs, such as real-time tracking, reporting, invoicing, and integrations with other platforms. Consider the user interface and ease of use. The tool should be intuitive and easy for your team to adopt. Finally, consider the pricing and scalability of the tool. Choose a solution that fits your budget and can grow with your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.